If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas. Here we have an ammeter. With this, we're able to check current flow in an appliance or a tool that might be plugged in. So in order to check something, we will rotate the dial to, I'm going to set it at 20 amps. Now some people think that, let's say in the case of this cord, which is attached to my small drill press behind me, that you can just put it on the cord like that and get a reading. That's not going to work. What you really have to do to get the reading would be to take this cord and open it up in the middle so that it will look something like this, where you could actually see the 3 wires inside. Then you take your black wire, take your clamp ammeter, put it around the black wire, and you'll get a reading. This is a little bit impractical. We wouldn't want to be opening our cords that are attached to our drill or drill press or toaster or anything else like that. So I've come up with an easy way to get around this. I built this ammeter shunt. Now this is just a regular, well, I call them a barn box, but it's a regular receptacle with plugs in it, and it's wired to a plug, just like an extension cord if you would. But what I've done is I've separated the black wire out in the middle, and we can now clip our ammeter on this and plug this into the wall, plug our drill press into this. And we'll take that over, and we'll do that right now. Plug it into the wall. And we'll get the camera a little closer so you can see it. All right. We're reading 0 right now because the drill press isn't turned on. I'm going to reach over here and flip the switch. It's drawing 1.77 amperes. Turn that off and back to 0, 0, 0. So this little box eliminates the need for us to be taking wires apart so that we can put our clamp meter on the right wire.